Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am so excited to tell you guys that FabFitFun now has a monthly beauty box. Do you want to know what this is about and what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, FabFitFun has a monthly beauty box. This is the first one ever, and I'm super excited. So this is the box that it comes in. It is the Beauty Edit FabFitFun. I'm not quite sure, like with me, I purchased it through my app. When I went to my homepage at the bottom, it said, we now have a beauty box. Would you be interested? I'm like, yes. I couldn't click yes faster. And with this one, there's 4 full-size products and you get to choose every single product. So that's absolutely amazing. You're customizing it to your own liking. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I will go through all of the different choices like I do my FabFitFun seasonal boxes. So you can see what all of the options are, so you can kind of curate it yourself in your head and know how you would curate your own box if you are interested. I will have FabFitFun listed down below if you would like to pop on over and check them out. However, this right here is again the 4 full-size products. It says $29.99 and it will have a retail value of $150. And again, you get to choose all of the options. So here is the box that it comes in. Curated in California. So was I. What a coincidence. We have something in common. Your glow up, it says. I just think that's so cool that now they have a monthly box. So you got 2 different options with FabFitFun. Beauty, ooh la la. And then here is a sneak peek to inside of my box. I actually see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here. So this here, I think, is different. Maybe I don't know. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go through choice number 1, and you can choose between the Dibs Palm Palette. The palette is valued for $36. The Major Volume Plumping Gloss is valued for $26. Or you can choose a Major Beauty Headlines Precision Lip Crayon that is valued for $26. And for that one, I went ahead and chose the eyeshadow palette. It looked like it was a pretty palette to do one eye look. So it's the Palm Palette On The Go eyeshadow palette. And that's that. And when we open her up, there is the packaging, the back. Ooh, this is really pretty. So I was torn to know how big the pans were. These smaller type pans like this, I normally don't pull for. So I'll probably put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. I do have the same brand in a lip oil that I received that I already have held. So I might just stick it with that so one of you guys can enjoy it. But it does look like that would be a really pretty look. It's just, I have so many little palettes that I don't grab. I would hate for this just to sit and not be used. So I will definitely save this for one of you guys to use. But there is the eyeshadow palette that I chose for choice number 1. So then all of the different options you can choose for the second category, you can choose between the Bouncy and Firm Eye Brightening Sleeping Mask. That is valued for $32. The Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum valued for $45. Or there's the Nude Stick Tight and Bright Face Mask that is valued for $28. So for that one, I chose the Bouncy and Firm Eye Sleeping Mask. I did read in the instructions first to see if it's one that has to come off because it says sleeping mask. If you follow me, I don't like ones that I have to worry about washing off the next day. And the instructions just said put it on, and that was it. So I will gladly put this on my eyes before I go to bed. It's a great size of a container as well. And it is completely sealed. I don't want to open it just yet because I do have other eye serums and creams that I have open that I want to use first. So I'm going to put this in my back stock to use once I'm done with at least, one of those. But this is the one, again, that I chose for the second option. So the different products that would be in the third option, you can choose between the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush in color Hope, in color Happy, or in color Cheer. All of them are valued for $27. So I chose it in color Hope. Now I don't do anything with blush, so I chose this specifically to go in a future giveaway, but I will show you what it looks like and how it comes. So in this choice, you would choose between the 3 different blushes. And again, this is in the color Hope, and you have a little dot right there. It says you are rare, the Rare Beauty. Here is the packaging. And ooh, it is nice and like shiny, and it kind of has kind of like a peachy coppery tone in there to it. That is a really pretty color, and it looks like it's not like a powder. A luminous powder. An airy, silky powder blush that brings instant life to your cheeks with a fresh, radiant flush that lasts. But again, that is a really pretty color. So I will gladly save that for one of you guys. So the last and final 4th choice, you can choose between the Skylar Boardwalk Delight Rollerball perfume, and that is valued for $30. There's a Verb Volume Spray valued for $22, or a mini prickly pear hair oil, and that one was valued at $20. So between those, of course, I really wanted the perfume, and when I went to the notes and it said something about like cotton candy and something, I'm like, don't say no more. That is what I am going to pick. So I chose the Rollerball, and it comes in this packaging. I love like that ombre. It kind of looks like a cotton candy right there. And then the Rollerball. Let's get her started. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So it's not like just straight cotton candy like I had when I was in probably junior high or high school. I had one, like a body spray that smelled like cotton candy that I absolutely loved. It's not like that. It's more of an actual like real perfume smelling. I can't even really put my hand on what that is, but I'm definitely picking up on like some vanilla and just like a nice clean scent with like a cotton candy-ish sweet type of a scent to it. I don't know. That smells really good. But again, it's not like a kid like, ooh, I'm gonna smell like a whole snack. This just smells like a really good scent. So I'm so glad that I chose this perfume. And then the last item on here, I do see that when I'm looking at my order that's customized for those 4 products, this shows that it's a free gift. So I don't know if it was like a free gift being like signing up. This was my gift, but it says a free gift, and it's the Nutrafol Full of Strength Set, a physician's formula duo to strengthen hair and visibly reduce damage. Ooh, that's nice. I love any type of good hair products, so that's awesome. Ooh, and there is 2 bottles. And we have a Standard Defender Lightweight Protective Conditioner and a Root Purifier Scalp Microbiome Shampoo. So you have a shampoo and conditioner. And that's a good size to try out. I mean, you can at least get a few different usages out of that. They are 2 fluid ounces or 60 ml in both. So I do like that. That was a free gift. So my 4 full-size products that I chose for my very first beauty box, $29.99, I got the eye mask, the perfume rollerball, the blush, and the eyeshadow palette. Okay, you guys, what did you think about their very first ever beauty box? What do you think of the items that you could choose from? Would you have chose any of the same items that I did? Definitely comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I absolutely love that they are coming out with a monthly box. I think that's a great price point for full-size products for $29.99. The only thing I paid in addition was sales tax, so it was like 32 or 31, I don't know, something like that. But I can't believe for full-size products, $29.99, and you get to choose every single product that's in your box. That's the great thing. You get to choose everything that's in your box. So definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. I will have them listed in the description box if you'd like to pop on over and check out FabFitFun for their monthly beauty box or their seasonal box, which is absolutely amazing. If you would like to see other companies learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, so now that is everything to say and show for this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.